Sick of overpriced PC cases? The Aigo 275P is a game changer. This stunning case boasts double-sided tempered glass, showing off your build beautifully. It supports various motherboards, offering flexibility for your setup. But is this budget-friendly beauty worth it? Find out in this in-depth review. I'll be testing its build quality, airflow, and ease of use, so stick around to see if it's your next perfect PC case. Subscribe for more tech reviews, and hit the like button if you want to see more budget PC builds.